Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Microsoft Edge and the CoPilot sidebar. So we're in Edge now. I'm on a Mac, so it may look slightly different to a PC, but the layout's the same. And you'll see that the CoPilot icon is there in the top right hand corner. So when I click on that, it gives me a sidebar. And I can see, if I click on the three dots, I've got various options. I can see all of the previous chat I've been playing around with there. So what are the benefits of using the sidebar? Well, what's nice, it gives you some prompts here, is it will allow you to summarize a document or a web page. So if we go over to this tab here, I've got a PDF. And it does depend on how your PDFs work, but I tried a number of PDFs and they've all worked really well. So I could say, provide a summary of the and what it will do is it will look for what's on the page, and then it should start to provide a summary. So you can see it's starting to provide a summary there of what I've got in the document. So this is really useful. So if you're looking to create a summary of some text, and with most large language model AI tools is going to have a limit on how much text you can paste into it. If you're referencing a document such as this, you don't need to paste the text. You can just ask it to reference the document. So that's a PDF, and it works also for websites. So it could be that you want to maybe ask some questions about that particular document, or in the case of this site. So it helps if I type. There we are. So I can ask it to do that, and what it should do, hopefully, is it will search the page information, and it should start to, and there you go, it's starting to generate the questions and give me the answers as well. So just having that sidebar means that the information you need to put in your prompt is less. You don't have to put all of the text because it can pick up the information that's already there. So that's creating multiple choices, multiple choice questions from a page. You could do that same prompt with a PDF, or it's getting it to summarize a page as well. So next one to try is, let's try a YouTube channel. Now, I've got an extension here. If you want to find out more about that extension, which creates a summary of a YouTube channel, then click on the banner in the top right hand corner and you can watch my guide to installing that extension and looking at how it works. But what I found is that it won't work if you ask it to summarize it based on the transcript there. It needs to have the transcript on the description of the video. So where the video has a transcript, if I scroll down on this particular video, you can see there's a transcript available there. If I ask it to summarize the video, or I could ask it to create multiple choice questions on the video. If I do that, because there's a transcript, it should be able to do that. If the transcript is missing, then it just can't find things. So let's see what it says. There we are, and it's starting now to give me a summary and the timestamps linked to what's been covered at the different points in the video. So it works with videos if there's a transcript attached within the description. Otherwise, it struggles. I'm going to stop that there. So you've got all the other usual features that are useful. So if we were to scroll up, you've still got your references. So it will reference information. So in the case of a web page, it's going to reference the web page. And you've still got the functionality at the top, at the bottom of the thing to like or dislike, copy it, or to download the text as you go. So I think it's a really useful addition. So it's in Microsoft Edge. Top right hand corner, you've got the CoPilot sound sidebar, which allows you to start to use information within the web page, whether that be a PDF or whether that be a website. A really useful way of just speeding up the whole process. A great way to use CoPilot. So I hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.